Failing to align the unit price on an invoice with a corresponding PO or subcontract can add significant risk to the profitability of a construction business. When PO and subcontract commitments are not itemised and reconciled accurately, it opens up the door to overpayments, underpayments and duplicates. Take for instance a scenario where a supplier bills a higher unit price than what was agreed upon in the quote or subcontractor agreement. If this discrepancy isn't matching to a PO or subcontract when the invoice is entered, the business ends up footing a higher bill for the unit of good or service than they should have. In most cases, this overpayment is completely undetected when invoice amounts are within the budget of a PO. If they're left unchecked, these overpayments accumulate over time, putting a strain on the company's financial well-being. Also, mismatches in unit prices can wreak havoc on increased tax payments and other related financial records, compounding the challenges faced by the business. And even worse, if only one line ends up getting created on the PO or subcontract in order to save time keying them all in, it becomes impossible to reconcile. Well, we've spoken to enough customers to know this is a real problem. So what we've gone and done is built an automated application that will remove all the manual effort from creating POs and subcontracts into Premier. Here's how it works. The application will ingest quotes and subcontractor agreement lines from an email. It'll extract all the company information, work order lines, unit prices and total amounts and present them to a user to simply apply the correct job number and coding info. Once this is done, it then uploads everything into Premier and a PO or subcontract gets created automatically, but this time with all the relevant lines, prices, job numbers and coding. In other words, it creates a detailed PO or subcontract in Premier in a matter of seconds. When an invoice comes in, it can be reconciled straight away, ensuring ordered items are exactly matched to POs or subcontracts in Premier, or any errors like increased unit prices are immediately captured and flagged for rectification. This will ensure that an invoice to PO or subcontract matching is always accurate, removing errors like overpaying or underpaying and removing leakage from the process. It will significantly reduce the time you spend in this process, which is time, I think you'd agree, that would be better spent on higher value things. And more importantly, it will eliminate the discrepancies that you'll already have in this process. These are things that are costing your business right now. If you'd like to learn more, just click on the link below and chat to one of our team.